Welcome to the channel again. Welcome to another video. As you can see by the title, I'm gonna be breaking down GBP US dollar and Aussie JPY. So yeah, let's just get straight into this. All right, so starting off with GBP US dollar. As you can see, price has been an uptrend, making high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows. Had a break and retest of this big level here. Then we had another big break and retest of this level here. And then since then, we've been making high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows. We've had the pullback now into this level of support. So cool. Now, if you zoom much more into where price is at currently, you can see again, price making them high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows. Break retest of this level here. Then we've had the big push, and then we've had the pullback into this level of support. And then we're anticipating now price will continue back up into this level first, and then potentially continue up and make it like a high high. Because obviously trends your friend until the end. Don't know when it was going to reverse. So let's see what's happening now. So last week I was even saying this. He was obviously, since he had that push up, he was anticipating the push down back into this level of support. So first telltale signs that was going to happen, we had this little reverse in the shoulder here. Had that break of this level here. Double top there. And then price obviously been continuing pushing lower. Found support, pushed up a bit, and then finally continued back down into the support. So that's what I was anticipating for last week, and it obviously did happen. So now that price, we know price is in an overall uptrend. We know price, with the uptrend, price makes the high highs, higher lows. With the high highs made, you're then anticipating a pullback, which has now happened into support. So what we expecting now, price to continue up. So price has hit the support, expecting price to continue up now. So we've hit this level of support, broken a bit below it even. We've broken back above it, broken this trend line as well. All we're waiting for, we're in this current resistance as well. So there's two possible scenarios I see happening. So, and ways I'm looking to trade it. First one is price is pushed up, we're in resistance now. So we push back down into here, find some support, create a right shoulder, reject this level. We've got head, left shoulder, right shoulder. And then we continue pushing up, maybe retest, break that level, retest here, and then continue up. So that's one scenario I can see happening on this. Another scenario is the bulls are just too strong. There's too much bullish momentum. We don't get that pullback. We still do make the right shoulder, but maybe like a smaller right shoulder. Like not here, we just pull back a bit here or just push straight up here. Break, retest this level, and then continue up. That's the two scenarios I see happening on here. And that's how I'm looking to trade it. First one, if we pull back into here, I want to see a pullback into here. I'm not going to long it straight away. I want to see that structure made, structure broken. So structure broken back above here. Get a break and retest at this level. I'll look to long it on a retest here. And then look to hold it up. And then if price doesn't pull back to here, it just, like I said, if bulls are just too strong and price pushes straight above here, then I'll just look for the break retest of that. And I'll look to long it and obviously hold it up. That's the two scenarios on GBP US dollar, but both of them being bullish because obviously we know price in the uptrend. And with the uptrend, like I said, high highs, high lows. So we'll see if that happens. We'll just wait for that and see if we can get to play out. But yeah, so that's the GBP US dollar scenario. And what I'm looking to trade it on, if the bull trend does continue up, that's what I can see happening. Next we'll break down Aussie JPY. So Aussie JPY, if we zoom out a bit, you can see price has been in uptrend for quite a while. So see here, high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows, high high, high low. And then we had this bit of a wedge. And then we continued, we broke out and then we just shot straight up. Had a strong bullish momentum up. Rarely making little small high highs, high lows, and breakout retest of there. So we know price is in our overall uptrend. Even if we zoom to our right, we've got a bit of resistance up here. We know that. That's how I've drawn it on here. Yeah, so like I said, we know in price in uptrend, strong momentum. So naturally, we've got to have a down, not downtrend, but a pullback, which we've obviously had here, and that's shown by this little fallen wedge. So we know this is not a trend reversal. We know that we're still in an uptrend, and price is in this fallen wedge. And fallen wedge is a trend reversal pattern. So we know one price in a fallen wedge. We're expecting, well, we're anticipating for price to break out and then continue the uptrend if it does. And in this case, it has. So we've pushed, broken out. We're currently retesting this level of support, and now we're anticipating if price rejects, price will continue up this uptrend, come up into here as this longer term target up here, and then potentially make a new high and continue the uptrend. So with price rejecting, with price breaking out of this fallen wedge, we've now broken out and retested this first level of support. If we also draw this level of support where price is currently at, you can see respected there, respected there, respected here, respected here. It's been respected here as well, kind of made like almost like a double top, not really like a double top, but almost like one here. And then, yeah, so you can just see this level being respected, and obviously respected here on the breakout retest. So we see a breakout retest. We're looking now for rejection here. We want to see rejection on a lower time frame, an entry time frame, the 1 hour. Once we get that rejection, we're looking to hold it long. People could hold it long up to here, but me personally, I'll be coming out at this level, aiming for this level of resistance here. So we've got resistance here, and that's what I'll be aiming for. And then price could potentially again break out, retest, and come higher again up into this obviously level of resistance. Well, we'll see if that happens. But yeah, that's simply it. Aussie JPY and GBP US dollar broken down as simple as possible. Literally, the trend is your friend to the end. That's literally what I trade, following the trend and then getting on those breaks and retests of the trend, that higher low. On the uptrend, same for downtrend. Price is trending down. You know, price makes low lows, lower highs. We're just looking at getting in and that support. And then boom, same thing, getting in, boom. With the uptrend, we're getting in. When price comes back, retests here, we're getting in on the long. That's literally all I do. But yeah, hope you lot enjoyed that breakdown. Found it very informative. Leave comments for the types of videos you want to see. Leave comments if you like that. And yeah, if you've got questions, leave them in the comments as well. But yeah, hope you lot enjoyed that. Out.